Hi guys, welcome back. It is another delicious recipe. If you want to see how I made this yummy, tasty, delicious banga and peanut butter sauce, please stay tuned. So guys, for our ingredients for today, I'm going to be using mixed seasoning. I'm going to be using roasted salted peanut, but I'm going to be rinsing out the saltedness out of the peanut, the canned palm sauce, habanero pepper, Maggi and ogiliobe, white onions, crayfish, salt, thyme and frozen scent leaf. So this is my meat. I'm using beef and I am using a goat leg. And the beef that I have is then beef that has a bit of biscuit bone in it. So that is the meat I'm going to be using. Let's add seasoning and let's start cooking our meat. So I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add salt. I've added mixed seasoning. I'm going to add 2 Maggi. Now we're going to cover and put the stove on, and we're going to allow our meat to cook until tender and soft. Now guys, 5 minutes later, I remembered that I didn't add onions. So we're gonna add our onions in there. Let it keep cooking. Imagine boiling the meat without onion. Anyway, yeah, we have added the onions. We're going to cover it and let it keep cooking. So for the peanut, I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to add water and I'm going to give it a good rinse because I want to rinse out all the salt in it. Now after rinsing it, I am going to start blending it. So guys, I'm going to blend my peanut. I'm going to add my ogili in there and I'm going to also put my habanero pepper. And add some water and we'll blend it together. So I'm gonna add crayfish in here because the blended one I have is not that big. So yeah, I'll add this one in here and I'll blend it together with everything. So guys, it is time to take our meat out of the stove. So I have put in our pot back on the stove. I am going to add the palm nut sauce. Now I'm going to cover that and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, I am going to add all my blended stuff, peanut, crayfish, habanero pepper, ogiliobe, everything that I've blended. I will add them in there. Now I'm going to add onions. Now I'm going to cover and let it boil for 5 minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, oh my days, this smells good already. You can, like, the aroma coming out from this pot already, it just something else. It smells absolutely fantastic. So after 5 minutes, we're going to add our meat back. Now I'm going to taste for Maggi and salt. No Maggi, no salt. We're going to add Maggi and add salt. I'm adding 3 Maggi. I'm adding salt, and I'm also going to add mixed seasoning. And I'm going to cover and allow that to simmer properly for like 10 minutes. So guys, I allowed it to boil for 20 minutes because after 10 minutes I felt like it wasn't boiling well, so I allowed it to boil more. So now, yes, I love the way it's looking after 20 minutes. So it has really boiled very well. There's enough Maggi and salt. This sauce is ready. I am going to add my scent leaf and then just give it a few seconds and we take it out of the stove. I'm going to cover and give it a few seconds and this sauce is ready. After a few seconds with the scent leaf, it is time to take our sauce out of the stove. Guys, this sauce is smelling and tasting so deliciously good. It is a wonderful combination. Like, it tastes so creamy, so yummy. You can get the tastiness of the palm sauce and then the tastiness of the peanut butter together. They are just a perfect combination, guys. You need to give this a go. This is a must-try sauce. Like, this sauce is off the hook. So yes, we're going to take it out of the stove. So guys, like I said, our sauce is ready, and immediately you added the scent leaf. Like, the smell of the scent leaf and the aroma of it just took it to another level altogether. Yeah, this is where today's video is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share, give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on my next video.